let's make some food for the ducks. Help Peppa make some food so she can go and feed the ducks. Choose some ingredients and put them into the bowl. Worms, carrots, seeds, green leaves, oats, corn, seeds, worms, green leaves, excellent ingredients. Now mix them together. That's it. Keep going. Well done. You have made a tasty duck cake. It looks a little big for the ducks. Can you slice it into smaller pieces? Move your finger down across the cake to slice it up. That's it. Keep going. A little bit more. Well done. Let's go and visit the ducks at the pond. We are at the pond, and here come the ducks. Flick or drag some food onto the ducks to feed them. Don't forget to look out for the golden boots. These ducks just love to eat. Keep going. These ducks are hungry. Well done. You fed all the ducks. And look, they have come to say thank you. Press the yellow button to play again, or choose a game. Let's sing a song. The Muddy Puddles song.
Jumping up and down in muddy puddles, splish, splash, splish, splash. With a big splash here and a big splash there. Here a splash, there a splash, everywhere a splish, splash. Jumping up and down in muddy puddles, splish, splash, splosh, splish, splash.
You need to find 2 golden boots to unwrap another present. Come back, Mrs. Duck.
Dino roar, dino roar. Dino roar, dino roar.
Choose somewhere to explore. Let's see what's hiding in the mud. Daddy Pig knows a lot about being a successful puddle jumper. To become one with the puddle, he says you must think like a puddle. And if you jump in muddy puddles, you must wear your boots. Dig around in the mud and see what you can find. Look out for Peppa, George and Freddy. Look, it is a slug. Tap Freddy to help him make a big muddy splash. Dig around in the mud and see what you can find. Look, it is a frog. There is something hiding in the mud. Look, it is a tortoise. Tap Peppa to help her make a big muddy splash. Dig around in the mud and see what you can find. Look, it is a frog. wipe the mud away to see what is hiding. Look, it is a frog. Tap George to help him make a big muddy splash. Look, it is a crab. Can you wipe the mud away to see what is hiding? Look, it is a tortoise. Use your finger in the mud to make some muddy splats. Look, it is a crab. Look, it is a slug. Look, it is a tortoise. Look, it is a hedgehog. Dig around in the mud and see what you can find. There is something hiding in the mud. There is something hiding in the mud. What's that hiding in the mud? What's that hiding in the mud? Look, it is a frog. Can you wipe the mud away to see what is hiding? Look, it is a hedgehog. Look, it is a tortoise. Oh, Daddy Pig! Press the yellow button to play again, or press the green done button to play another game.